Yeah, me see it. You see, I just a while ago it happened. You see, I just a while ago me see it. Jayden chop out Fabbi eye. Chop out the whole of the eye. Go up on Fabbi page and see it. Stop asking me where they. Me say Fabbi page and the fuck not come back over here and ask me where they. Chop out Fabbi eye. Jayden post too. Fabbi beat him too. Up on him post. You know, I could have black out the whole of my page them. Me not look on them because it's no prank. It's no prank.
Okay.
But this not prove nothing. I beat him, girl. This not prove nothing. This proves something more. After him not get no lick, this not prove nothing. He can't play no victim. I'm in trap out the whole of girl eye. In trap out the whole of Fabbi eye. Fabbi full of peer abuse. They trap the hand of Fabbi eye. Oh my God. Plus span her body. In trap out the girl eye. So he can't play no victim. Jayden no trap out Fabbi eye. And beat her. Abuse all her leg a while ago. Even the on Fabbi page. Alright. Like how you see a prank, come and shoot. Like how you see a prank then. Prove it say a prank. Me I go add you and you prove it say a prank. Like how you claim to say a prank, miss. Where the girl they will claim to say a prank. Like how you say a prank, send me a request. And just a while ago the girl post it. Just a while ago it happened. Just a while ago it happened. And it just fucking post. And her fingernail in the blood clot video we she do 2 days ago. What kind of prank? It is no fucking prank. So if you say a prank, bitch, suck your mother come off of me live. Cause that is no prank. Everything we talk about fucking prank. You don't say a raw blood clot cut that. You blind? You don't know when somebody have raw cut. But the post where Jayden make Jayden have any abuse, Jayden that don't prove nothing where Jayden post. Where Jayden post not prove nothing. What Jayden post does not prove anything because Jayden face is clean. While the girl foot abuse and the girl eye cut out. Him don't have anything. So him can't post now say Fabbi beat him up. Him beat up Fabbi because the video he prove is there. Like he did one blind her. Look when cut her. Underneath her eye. You know say a blind the woman go fi blind. A blind the girl go fi blind. Can cut her underneath her eye. When could I cut her with? Then a thumb bust out for her eye so? And when could I cut her with? Make it for her eye. Me said the cut. Actually, me no want to show it. Sit here. Me have barely show it. Sit here. Sit here. Almost in her eye there. Him too out order. All our leg. To our leg abuse. Our eye. Our face. I can't see the whole heap of wheel him and mark up our face. That's why I said it's no prank because look at the girl nails. This is the nails where the girl do what day, yeah. Right? Or if it be prank. And this is fucking nails. They matter about old cut. See blood clot girl nails, yeah. In a video. I saw them enough. I'm going to tell me about makeup. Come on for me live. Come on for me blood clot live. Come on for me live. Come tell me about makeup. Makeup look so. Come on for me live. Come on for me blood clot live. Everything you say a prank, you know say they my master for prank. Everything you say a prank. If somebody dead now, you say a prank. If somebody dead now, you say a prank. You terrible. He might take it down, you know, see people underneath the comment section and tell him say that no prove nothing. Moderator, when they say a prank, you block them, please. Block them. I mean no cut. I mean no makeup and cut. When they say a prank, please just block these people. And this is no freedom of speech, you know. This is no blood clot country. Okay. Make you know if I know. Come on, if I saw them blind. Everything them are people that talk about prank. True, they don't say people them are prank. I mama for prank. And the sister for prank. Because I don't know whether to say pranking or that. And me no know. And there is two other video. You see the video when she in a car where the blood are run down. And you can see on Fabbi face, she have some up here up on her face. Like some, you know when you beat somebody have some wheel, you can see the wheel up here up on her face. Okay, a prank. Fucking duns. You can see the wheel on her face. They on Fabbi face. You can see the wheel up here. You see when she in a car, you see the wheel up here up on her face. Nah, look on them. Because them know something. Come on, fire drunk. That dog go prank. Live up for my life, shit house. You know what I'm doing here? Man, for this blood clot here. Now look on them. Oh man, for this. Everything you talk about prank. Everything you talk about prank and prank. Lift up. I beat up a girl. So cool, Jayden. And man, he might look for fuck. Chopping girl and I could have blind the blood clot girl. Chopping girl and I could have blind the girl. Dirty Jayden. Stinking Jayden. I should have him number for call him blood clot. I'm sorry, you don't have his number. I should have his number for call him and say germs. And that man you look for fucking on your body wall. You depend on Fabbi page. Could have blind the blood clot, girl, my love. Well, look up here, so. Pani girl, a video. You see. Hold on. See it here? May I hide the cut? Look. Me eye the cut, guys. Look up your sir eye. You can see the whopper wheel them. True, me no want to show the cut, guys. When you go up on the video, guys, I'll look on the video. Go up on the video. And look on the video. Go up on the video and look on the video. You see when she in a car, you can see the whole heap of wheel them. If video dey on Fabbi page. You can see whole heap of crab them on her eye. Me a talk about eye. Over yasso. You can see whole heap of crap on her face. And the long cut, the cut come yasso under Fabbi eye. I kill you one, kill a girl. And you tell me say that a prank? I make up that? Oh my God, make up bad. Make up bad. And you come tell me say, You see whole heap of crab them. Yeah, come tell me say that a prank? That's no prank. It's on Fabbi page, guys. Go on Fabbi page. You don't know a Fabbi name? Type in Fabbi. Once you type in Fabbi, come up. Everything them talk about prank. If you're dead, them say a prank. Come on, man. And bite her pan her leg. Like him a dog. Him bite Fabbi pan him leg. She posted about 32 minutes ago. Say just a while ago it happened. People no can fight in a one day. People no can. Me no can start talk to them when look as me walk. So one man come and walk up to me and came me. What you mean? Oh, they was just on live. How much people see just the pan live a man take their life? Blood clot. Somebody never the pan live a man taking life. Where man name? Boss said. What the hell? That is makeup. Take that in your blood clot face like what makeup drunk up. Like what makeup, take that in your face. I'm gonna say if I blind your blood clot blind. Your blood clot is dirty girl. Try that one man. You don't come above. Makeup and prank in your mouth. We're gonna some top guys. Probably like 200,000 to 20,000 I mean. Blood clot. Too enough man. More makeup. Oh that for them. I cut girl underneath her eye. You see, uno we have Jayden fans, uno can't save him. You hear? Because the things them when do, uno uphold on to the things them. Uno uphold on to the dirty things them. True, you know see people start give her. People start give him. Nobody now give Jayden like one time. God tear him down. Me tell him, you know. You see, you go like Brittany. God go tear down your blood clot. Anybody go like them big panties up, your father God put it on at the bottom. And anybody boy like say they want number one every day. Anybody that they on the top gotta go put them at the bottom. But look here now. What him name? Fabbi forget it. Because when Ashley come out here attack Fabbi a laugh. You should have cut off your blood clotted and fling in a one pit Fabbi. When blood clot Ashley come out here ball and Ashley said the things them, you sit and live with Jayden and you were laughing after Ashley. You were laughing after Ashley Fabbi. Now see him chop out your blood clot, yeah, they could have kill you. You were laughing after Ashley. No, see him could have blind you there. Cause the chop where you get underneath your eye, he gonna wear up your son. He could have blind you. He could have blind you. The chop when he chop reach yes up on you. Me not talk about yes, you know. Me a talk about yes up yes where the chop reach. I want the blood clot chop that you know. Me don't know if I thumping and it chop out. Or me don't know how when do and it chop it so. But they chop that one day just chop you know. You get underneath your eye, you know. Fabbi not Jayden not chop out Fabbi eye. He on her page. Not force him beat her and do her so. She a go left. Cause to me Jayden only one man, Fabbi one woman. That's why me I say is maybe Fabbi fuck Jayden will deal on a batty wall and Jayden fuck Fabbi in a batty wall. Cause man they want you know, two of them one man, none of them no one woman. No, Fabbi one woman and Jayden one man. Cause Fabbi is still a lesbian. And that me see long time. It's a batty man. I know about this year. I know about the world we are going about here. Me see that long blood clot time. Ask Jayden how him know Shalom brother. Jayden and Shalom brother doing things. Shalom brother poor. The boy still live end some. Eltham. Sorry, yeah, Eltham. That's how I know Shalom brother. JJ Couture want to make the clothes in New York. We still do make the clothes at Spanish Town. Uptown, Spanish Town, right side Chambers Lane, there so. Yeah, they used to make clothes. Come on, we attack everything, and we attack with them, work on everything. Look how him chop out Fabbi eye. Fabbi forget it. You come and put up video. You forget it. Look how him chop out Fabbi eye. Look how him chop out the whole of Fabbi eye. The whole of Anna saw Fabbi eye gone. The whole of Anna saw Fabbi eye chop out. The whole of you saw Fabbi eye chop out, me love. The whole of you see there, me there saw look on the mark right now. You saw chop so. The whole of Fabbi leg bite up. Would wish that? No. Wish what? She was sitting down and she never did that sit down and laugh. She never did that sit down. She never did sit down and laugh after she never sit down and laugh after Ashley. She never did sit down and laugh after Ashley. I thought about say Jayden can't do him so like how Jayden do Ashley. Fabbi never used to sit down and laugh after Ashley. Fabbi never used to sit down and laugh after Ashley. And I talk about Ashley forget any things them. Now see Jayden beat she could have chop out for her eye there. And Jayden a come play a victim like say the girl beat her. Never you sit down and laugh, never you sit down and laugh for one other woman, me love your woman. Cause anything you me tell you see your soul life go? Your soul life go? You sit down and laugh for Fabbi and never know say her time go come. Me say, go on Fabbi page, guys. They didn't beat out her blood clot. Me love nearly kill her. Just a while ago. 59 minutes. Just a while ago. For me come for live yapping. Just a while ago, Jayden beat her. She take it down. She not take it down and me not save it. Me save that. She not take it down. It there. Go up on her page. You name Fabbi 20. Go up on her page. Right? Still there. She not take it down. Jayden post one video. Jayden take it down. It up on her main page. We should call her backup page. You 170,000. We don't support that, guys. But she deserve it. We do not support it, but she deserve it. She deserve it. Because the end of the day is Ashley come out and Ashley prove uno and show another proof and say, see that the boy so beat him and do the things them. And you sit down and you laugh after Ashley. And you know that you're a woman, you know you like your man. It's fine. You sit down and you laugh after Ashley. You smile. You laugh. You laugh after Ashley and never know your time gonna come. And people want you as a girl, run. Oh, Ashley can't do, Jayden can't do like when do Ashley. Jayden can't do like when do Ashley. Jayden can't do like when do Ashley. You crazy, me a bad girl, me a this. And you laugh after Ashley. No, see man mash up your eye there. And Jayden too out order. Me don't know what you do anyway, but Jayden too bright. Can I come like a blind in the one blind you? If you cut your hand underneath your eyes, so me I wonder if I use one scissors or use one little knife or a thumb can make your eye look so. Guys, remember if you follow that picture, because that picture me I use the other one get banana. Thumb can make your eye mash up so. And when you use and cut you, Jayden come like him tormented through everybody now support him again and nobody now give him. Jayden come like him tormented through nobody now support him for TikTok. And most of the time I walk a bit, I walk tormented through everybody run girl of him. You know see that? Guys, type in me I post a video up on my page like how you can't see it. Me can't see it. Because some people have all said they can't see it. Can me take it down. Me I go post it. Let me show you how Jayden cut out Fabbi eye. Oh, Jayden cut out the whole of Fabbi eye. Jayden cut out the whole of Fabbi eye. come like a blind Jayden it about for blind her. Cause how her eye looks so. It's on her page, but you just can't see me. I go post it. I post it. Some people just can't see it. Jayden too old. I post it a while ago. Go on for my page and see it. Hold on. Maybe go load a couple minutes. I post it on my page. But Jayden never beat her before? Jayden never beat Fabbi before? I post it on that page. Yeah. Go on that page and see it. It's on my page. At the first time, so that means that maybe she go run this time. It's on that page, guys. That means that she go run this time then. Phone over it now. That means that she go run this time. Wanna see video? They're on my page. Oh, maybe it have to take maybe 1 minute to load. It soon load. And the new them a come talk about prank. That is no prank. It soon load. Hold on, it soon load. My internet, so it's soon load. My internet a go in and go out. I just don't want to show it on the live. Yes, I him do it for true. And come and somebody him do it for true. Tell me if you can't see it now. You can't see it now. Maybe TikTok not allow me if you post it. You still can't see it, but me just post it a while ago. Me don't know. Me can't post on my page. Me don't know. Maybe it's a divide guideline or whatever. I don't go on Fabbi page and not see it. Go on Fabbi page and not see it, my love. Oh, our brother a bad man. Our brother will deal with Jayden. Because me, they must say in family my bad people, you know. So Jesus Christ, then I go be Jayden here now. Oh, Jayden son of mighty God of Daniel. So because she lose the pregnancy, him beat him. Him beat her. Then he beat her so. Then if them try to Jayden, if Fabbi family them try to Jayden so. And Jayden cut out the woman eyes so. Then Jayden no brave. Like how you say, like the people may say a prank, come on the live and come and address and tell me if a prank. And tell me why you say a prank. Like how it's prank, come on the live and tell me why would you say it's prank.